So today I'm going to teach you the basics of altar setup, and today we are going to talk about the directions of elements. If you work with elemental beings, if you invoke them in your altar, if you work with them, then how you have to do it. So no matter where you sit or in which direction you're facing, as if right now I'm facing east south direction. So where does the elemental beings go? Okay, you need to place them in their own direction. Okay, you cannot place air in the south or fire in the west. No, this is not how it works. Okay, air comes from east, fire comes from south. So this is what we are going to follow. So in this thing you need to follow your earth grid, not your posture where you are sitting. So keep this in mind, this is very important, otherwise just skip this step. Okay, if you do not know it, do not do it incorrectly. You have to be correct when you work with elemental beings. Okay, so air is from the east, so your air element will go on the east direction. Fire is from south, so it goes there. Okay, then water is from west, it goes here, and then earth is from north, so it goes here. So wherever you are sitting, just open your compass. If you do not know like that, open your compass, see which is where is which direction, and then follow through it. Remember this, people, if you are not doing it correctly, then skip the part, but do not do it in an incorrect way, because it can actually backfire, or you will not yield the results that you're looking for, and you will also spoil your connection with your elemental beings. So this is the right way to do it.